And I today want to look at how to go about Google Doc. Being like some people are not really used to Google Doc and Google Document. And Google Document is just an online Word document, just like what your normal Word document, which you are familiar with. And let us look at what Google Doc is all about. So Google Doc is a free online word processor that allows users to create, edit, and collaborate on documents in real time. Yeah, if you are familiar with Word document, there is no problem about this. This is gonna be an easiest thing for you to do. So let's dive in order not to waste much of our time. So as you now know that it's an online something that's okay. Once you started working online, it's gonna be saved automatically. That's one of the advantage of this. Unless you off your data, that's when it's not gonna save automatically. But there are things that you need to do once you are not online and you are working on your Google Doc. Once you are able to apply that, you're gonna be able to what to save it once you're on your data because it gives you access to offline. So now let's dive into it. Number two, how to access your Google Doc. Accessing your Google is very, very simple. All of us are familiar with what website is all about. So you just go to your web browser. I have web browser like your normal web browser, your the Google like your Mozilla, Firefox and everything. Your Chrome, so those are your web browser. Then you sign into your Google account. For you to have access to Google Doc, you must sign up into Google account. And still gonna make a video on how Google Workspace is all about. Google Workspace is just something that Google everything about Google, like your Google Calendar, your email, your Gmail rather, your Google Sheets, all these are Google Workspace. So in my next video, I'm gonna be talking about Google Workspace, how it works, and how you can collaborate within your workspace. So that's how then after you might have signed up, you can play blind. Now let's dive into that. Let's dive into it now. Okay, there is it. So you go to Google Doc, just type it on Google and it will just bring it to you, Google Doc. So I'm using this new this is a new account that I'm using. So go to Google Doc, Google Doc, Google Doc, Google Doc. You see Google Doc. Take you to Google Doc and you go to this, click on this, then take you oh sorry, I guess I'm having an issue with this. Okay, now it has taken us to Google Docs. Sorry for that. So then click on this blank folder. Click on this blank folder. Click on the blank folder to start working. You can see you want to work. And remember, first thing you want to work on this. And these are things that you're gonna be experiencing once you just open newly to it. And the first thing you have to do is that you name your document. Name your document very, very easy so that you might not forget. So let's name it the digital. The digital. So that's if you name your document now, then what is the next thing that's gonna be having? So let's look at this. You click on the blank or choose a template. That's the next thing to do. And the next thing to this, for you to click on the block, I have to click. You have done that. Use design format. Name your document by clicking on the title. All those things, all those we have done it. So the next thing is that okay. Change font style and color, use bold italics and underline for emphasis, align text left, center, right, or justify. So what are we going to be doing here? Just that. Now let's have your document. So let's quickly create a document. Let's go to Google to get a document. Okay. What happened yesterday? If you are a football lover, I guess I watched Liverpool and it ended in 2-2. Let's see some comments on this so you can just make use of what happened yesterday. Okay, let's go to the news. I love football. But I might not tell you my club, the club I follow. Okay, actually, that's aside. So let's just look at something here. Okay. The end is a Liverpool Everton versus Liverpool live. So this was once. Just copy it, and then you paste it here. You can see the way we copy it, you just can't do it possibly. So That is the heading, that is title and everything. So let's leave it like this. So if you are familiar, okay, let me use something else. Let me use this. Sorry, too big. And, what's this news all about? About the captain just Tarowski equalized team. Okay, I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in focusing on this. What's this? Not now. Thank you. Okay, now you can see. Oh, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? So I'm just like, okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do. I guess the network is affecting me. Not now, please. What's this all about? I don't need this news. Just want to copy your lines and then keep it going. Oh my word, what's this? Eh, oh, this site is something else. So copy. Okay, thank you. This is what I want. You can see that is one thing about this, about word. So let's say, ah, sorry. Okay, like you want to copy something from, let's do this. Yeah, this is part of the teaching and learning and everything. So you want to copy something, you copy something from an online, and you don't want it to appear this way. You don't want it to, you don't want it the way it is and everything. So what you need to do, you can see that it will refer us to where I copy this. So what you are going to do is just simply that you Control X, you cut it, then you open. Actually, it's not part of the tutorial, but at least we learn every day. We learn. So you open to what's it called, your notepad. You go to your notepad. So that is the first thing for you to have a smooth work and everything. So you just paste it here. Once you paste it here, you will not experience what we've experienced the other time. You can see it's now fine. It's now okay. Now this is what we need to do. Now for you to format your work to bold, they say we should format, bold and italize. That is the next thing. Okay, you want to bold your work, you want to italize, give it font and size, use bold, italize and underline everything. So let's now go and make our work now unique. Let's say the title of this should be Erratic Captain. See, Erratic Captain rescue the team. Erratic Captain rescued the team. Sorry. Erratic Captain rescued the team. Now I want to bold this. What am I going to do? You're going to highlight it and click on this. This is bold already. You can italize it, and this is your underline. And all this, it has a shortcut. It has what? It has a shortcut. It has a shortcut. And what are the shortcuts? The shortcuts are very, very simple. The shortcuts are very, very simple. So it has a shortcut. And what is the shortcut? For you to bold, you know, it's your normal Control A, and for you to italize it, you use your normal Control I, and for you to underline is your normal Control U, and for you to justify it to the center is your normal Control E, Control Shift E. So then to the left, Control Shift L, then to the right, Control Shift R, then to the middle is Control Shift E. So that's that about that. And what other thing do we have to do? Now let's say you want to give it a color. Let's say you want to give it a color. You come to this text color. So if the eyes want this text color, same thing as font color. So you can give it a red, or this like what color is this? This wine color. Okay, red berry. This was this red, and this orange, and this yellow, this light green or green, and this cyan. So you can see it has changed the color of this. So we have done what it has to do here. Then the next thing you have to do is just, you might not like the font, you want to change the font. So you change the font, is go to times two normal. Times two normal, that is the normal thing. Then you want to give it a heading. Then you go to this, then heading, that's the heading one. So the reason why it changes is just because we change the heading, so it has to change. So let's give it, change it to heading one. So let's give it a kind of okay, Montserrat. Let's look at Montserrat black. So that's that. Then you can give now color your work, and I'll give it the color. Not give it a color. That's it about that. Rescue. Rescue. Sorry. Okay. Everton captain rescue the team. Everton captain rescue the team. So you give it in. Let's say you want to add picture to it. You want to add picture to it. You want to add picture. You want to add picture to it. There are many ways or several ways in which you can add picture to this. And then let's say, okay, let me add the picture to it. This. Let me add picture to this. So this is what we are going to do. You go to a particular site to get the picture. Okay, let me go to Google to get the picture. To get a picture of Pixel. So Pixel allow you to use free pictures. Allow you to use free picture, free photo. So let's say you want to add a picture to this. So let's go. So this is it. Okay. Let's say you want to add. Let's download this color and this picture and use it. Save image. Let me save it. Google. I don't want the video to be long. Google work. Okay. The digital. Now this is what we are going to do. You go to your computer and you can as well search on the web, but I'm not going to use that. This should be the best thing for you to do. So you go to your this thing, go to your download and do the work. Piam. That's the picture we just downloaded. Look at it. That's how to add picture to it. You go to this place, you can see picture, insert image, then you add it. Then next thing is you might want to add, how's it called? Okay, let me follow the stuff that I have here. So I line left or right justify, we've done that. And the next thing is we are trying to insert image and table. Now let us look at the image and table. Now let us now add table to it. Maybe a list of food or something that you used to do every day. So let us now add this to it. Let us now add okay, you go to insert, then table, depending on what you want to do. Depending on what you want to do. It might be your column might be 3, 4, 5 in 1 or 6 by 1, 3, 1, 7, 6 in 1, 6 by 3, 6 by 4, depending. So let's say maybe your list items that you normally do every day or something. Items. Okay, let's go with serial number first. Serial number. Items. Goods. Just use this as an example. Goods. Days. Okay, let me just delete this. This is how to delete. Just delete. Piam. I hope it's not gonna delete everything. Delete. Let me see. Delete. Is it delete 2 rows? Okay, we deleted the rows. So this is how to make use of your serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how to make use of your table. And the last one that we have here is resize and format element as necessary. You can format everything as you need, all those elements that is. Then the second here is that collaboration sharing. And this work, you are done with your work and you want to share with someone. So let's say you want to share your work with someone now. Another thing that this has is that you have to give access. You have to come here, share. I can copy the link. So this is private to you only if you do not share it. Then once you click on this, it will allow you to give access to other people. Allow you to give access to other people. So you can give it to so once you give it. Now the person might now serve as a viewer or a commenter, reader. If it's a work that you want other people to just view, you can give it to the person like this and send the link to the person like this. And you want the person to just have to comment on it, you can give it an access, can give it the person access. And you want the person to help you to proofread to edit your work, so you can give it to the person like this. So that's this and you this that. So once you do it and once you click on this, you can copy the link. You just share the link and other people will work on it. Another thing is that okay, if this is restricted, to a particular person and the person does not give access to this, that is another thing which you can do. That's another thing you can do. Let me see. You can just go to your file and make a copy. That's what we are going to do. You can make a copy. Once you make a copy, you now have your own copy to save directly into your Drive. You have your own copy to save directly to your because this person does not really give you the access. Person does not give you the access to this. So you can make your own copy. Once you have your copy, you can now rename it and then edit it. That is another thing which you can do. That is another thing which you can do. That is another thing which you can do. You as an individual, you as a person, the person does not give you access to it. So don't worry yourself. And if it is on phone, you can as well. It has that particular function as well. So if it's on phone, you have that particular function. You can make that function as well. So you can make your own copy. So let's see what we have next on our agenda here. So the next thing here is that save your work. Actually, um Google Docs saves work automatically, save your work automatically. But like I said the other time, that if you are not online, if you are not online, if you are not online, if you off your data, you can easily change it to make available offline. Once you make it available offline like this, and once you're on it, that it will synchronize and save automatically. So synchronize and save automatically. And you want to download, you can download your work in a different format. Your work can be downloaded in different formats. You can download it through PDF, you can download it through web page, you can download it through this. Let's say through the PDF. So let's say through PDF now. You download it through PDF. Let's see. Pium, that's your work. You see, that's your work. That's your work. So I guess with this, you should be able to work on Google Doc and then give other people. And this one is very, very okay. It's the best. It's the best because it does not really need other extra work to do. But the only thing that's gonna cost you is your data. And once you are the type that doesn't normally know how to use it or something, once you are someone that you want to minimize your data usage or something, so you can just off your data and continue working on it. So thank you. Subscribe to my page, and I'm gonna come with another wonderful tutorial about Google Workspace. Thank you. Subscribe, share. Don't just share, don't just watch, learn and practice all this. Thank you very much. I remain your host, the Digital.